In this video, I will show you how to create a 1-minute countdown using the InShot app. To get started, open up the InShot app on your device. Once it's loaded, tap on Video from the main menu. Next, you'll need to select a photo that will serve as your background for the countdown. Once selected, hit checkmark to confirm. Now that your media is set, swipe left on the options at the bottom until you find Duration. Tap on it. You'll see a pencil icon, tap that too. Here's where you can enter a custom duration. Type in 60 seconds, which equals 1 minute. After entering this time, tap OK, then confirm by tapping on the checkmark. With your video now set for 1 minute, it's time to add that countdown. Tap on Pip. Then select Material. Tap on Atmosphere. Once there, scroll further down until you spot Countdown. This is what we need. Tap and select this exact countdown option. You can now customize how this countdown appears in your video. Make it bigger or smaller according to your preference by dragging its corners. Move it around the screen, place it wherever fits best with your background image. Feel free to explore other adjustments like adding effects or changing colors if desired. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.